Welcome to Vacationing from Florida Space Coast. Today we're focusing on the Holiday Inn Club Beach Resort here in Cape Canaveral. This is the perfect pre-cruise hotel and I'm going to show you why. So this is the reason why this is the best hotel if you're cruising from Port Canaveral. This hotel is located right next to Cruise Terminal 3. But enough with all of the explaining, let's get straight right into it. I'm your host Tyler, and this is Vacationing from Florida Space Coast. Alright y'all, so we're here at the Holiday Inn check-in facility. This place is very cool. It was very interesting. The check-in was a little bit long, but overall pretty good. Now next to the check-in facility there is mini golf. Now do note guys that the mini golf course isn't anything special. It's only a 9-hole, but it's pretty good. Perfect way to spend your time here at the resort if you're looking for something to do. Also on site they do have like a sports court, like tennis balls, a basketball court and stuff all the way up there. And inside the check-in facility over here they also do have a restaurant. Alright everybody, so we're here at the pool complex now. This is the main one, and over here there's a kid splash area, which is pretty cool. You got, of course, the water slide over there, but the best, coolest thing I think is there's a lazy river. Also, there is, if you're an adult, there is a more quieter pool with a volleyball net and stuff all the way over there. Overall, what a cool complex. Alrighty, there you go. That is a very brief overview of the numbers of activities they have here at the Holiday Inn. Now, I just showed you a little bit. Now, there's tons of smaller ones located all on the property. So here's the deal. You'll never be bored here at the Holiday Inn. So now I think it is time to go ahead and go show you our ocean view room. Now note this is an ocean view stateroom compared to the ones which are right behind me. Those are not the ocean view staterooms. Now for the ocean view ones, you have to pay a little bit more, but trust me, it's very worth it because some of the views are just spectacular. Our rooms at the Holiday Inn included a guest bedroom that had included 2 beds, perfect for housing the kiddos. Plus, of course, at the Holiday Inn, you also had the classic master bedroom. So yeah, that is the master bed right there. Of course, this is a pretty cool sofa here. These are walk-in closets, which are pretty cool right here, of course. Very spacious and stuff. So yeah, wow, I mean, very cool. Of course, lots of walk-in closets and things like that nature. But now we're gonna go ahead over here and show you the bathroom, which, wow, what a spacious bathroom. So yeah, you got your big tub right there, perfect, there. And then a toilet. Then of course your shower, which is right over there. And of course the mirror, which you can see me, which, hey everybody, which of course as always has the Holiday Inn bathroom necessities. Of course your faucet, and of course complimentary towels. Alright, I'm not sure if you can see me, but we're here in the bathroom. This is pretty cool. So we have, of course, your standard amenities, very cool. Plus your faucet, you can turn it on, of course, get that water. But yeah, over here you can see that they got a toilet, which is pretty cool, and then your shower. So overall, pretty cool. And also, wouldn't be a hotel without a kitchenette. This one is stocked with an electric stove, along with a sink and a microwave, plus the fridge. Also, every single one of these rooms have a very good living room to hang out at. Alrighty everybody, so hopefully you enjoyed this quick overview of the Holiday Inn here in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Anywho guys, big thank you to our Patreons who make this video helpful. And if you want to see more free content on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon. That's patreon.com/TheTylerShow. And with that being said, until we're back here together with some more Vacationing from Florida Space Coast content, my name is Tyler and you're watching The Tyler Show.